Threads of every color fill the room. Red like fire, blue as the sea, gold and green in perfect harmony. The villagers watched, their whispers loud. Why use threads so strange, so proud? Stick to the colors we understand, and weave a garment that fits the land. Oh, we are the threads in the weaver's hands, woven together by love's commands. Each one unique, yet part of the whole, a masterpiece born from the weaver's soul. Trust in the hands that guide the way, for the fabric of heaven is made this way. The weaver smiled, her gaze serene, her vision clear, her craft unseen. You see the threads, but I see the cloth. Each one adds beauty, none are lost. She worked with care, her hands divine, weaving stories through every line. The reds brought warmth, the blues brought calm, the golds brought light, and the greens brought balm. Oh, we are the threads in the weaver's hands, woven together by love's commands. Each one unique, yet part of the whole, a masterpiece born from the weaver's soul. Trust in the hands that guide the way, for the fabric of heaven is made this way. The weak threads break, but they're not cast down. They're mended with care, removing doubt. The flawed are woven with gentle grace. Their beauty shines in the perfect place. If all were the same, how dull it would be, a fabric of monotony. The reds bring passion, the blues bring peace, the golds bring hope, and the greens release. The garment finished, the weaver stood, holding it high as she knew she should. The villagers gasped, their doubts erased, a masterpiece woven by love's embrace. Jesus said, so too does God weave you together, though flawed and odd. Each thread is precious, each thread is dear, a fabric of love, His purpose clear. Oh, we are the threads in the weaver's hands, woven together by love's commands. Each one unique, yet part of the whole, a masterpiece born from the weaver's soul. Oh, trust in the hands that guide the way, for the fabric of heaven is made this way. The weaver's hands are gentle and wise, each thread a story, a sacred prize. Together we shine, a tapestry bright, reflecting